Welcome back to Ingenious Accounts World. Another problem on accounting equation. Today we can learn about the treatment of loss of goods, drawings and discounts. Discount allowed and received in accounting equation. We have a question here. Prepare accounting equation. Started business with cash rupees 1,75,000 and goods rupees 25,000. Capital introduced by the proprietor in the business. Next one. Purchased goods from Rohit rupees 50,000. Credit purchase of goods. Cash paid to Rohit in full settlement 48,500. Cash withdrawn for personal use rupees 20,000. That is drawings. Sold goods costing rupees 17,000 on credit to Manish 20,000. Credit sale of goods. And received cash from Manish in full settlement 19,500 and the last one goods destroyed by fire rupees 500. These are the transactions. Now we can prepare the accounting equation. So the first transaction, started business with cash rupees 1,75,000 and goods rupees 25,000. Cash balance of the business increased by 1,75,000 and stock by 25,000. Then we can write 1,75,000 in the cash column and 25,000 in the stock column. And it is the capital invested by the proprietor in the business. So capital also increased. Then we can write 2 lakh in the capital column. Total of 1,75,000 plus 25,000. 2 lakh capital. And now second one. Purchased goods from Rohit rupees 50,000. Purchased goods. Then stock increased. Stock increased by 50,000. Then we can write 50,000 in the stock column. Purchased goods from Rohit means credit purchase. Credit purchase from Rohit. Then amount payable to Rohit is a creditor and is a liability. Here the liability also increased. So we can write 50,000 in the creditors column. Now the balance is cash 1,75,000, stock 75,000. Total of assets 2,50,000. Creditors 50,000 and capital 2 lakh. Here also total of assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. Now the next one. Cash paid to Rohit in full settlement 48,500. Cash paid to Rohit 48,500. Then cash balance reduced by 48,500. So we can deduct 48,500 from the cash balance. Then minus 48,500 in the cash column. And cash paid to Rohit in full settlement 48,500. As per the previous transaction, amount payable to Rohit was 50,000. We have paid 48,500 for full settlement. It means balance amount 50,000 minus 48,500. That is 1,500 rupees is the discount received by the business. Discount received is an income. All incomes will go to proprietor. So we can add this 1,500 to the capital. And then we can write 1,500 in the capital column. And cash paid to Rohit. So the liability reduced. That is creditors. And creditors reduced by 50,000 because we have paid 48,500 for the full settlement of 50,000. So the liability reduced by 50,000. Then we can deduct 50,000 from creditors. Then minus 50,000 in the creditors column. Now the balance is 1,26,500 cash, 75,000 stock, then total of assets 2,01,500. Creditors nil balance and capital 2,01,500. Here also total of assets is equal to liability plus capital. Now the next one. Cash withdrawn for personal use. That is drawings. Drawings reduces capital. Then we can deduct 20,000 from capital. Cash withdrawn for personal use is 20,000. Then we can deduct 20,000 from capital. Then minus 20,000 in the capital column. Here cash withdrawn. So cash balance also reduced. So we can deduct 20,000 from cash column also. Then minus 20,000 in the cash column and minus 20,000 in capital column also. Now the balance is 1,06,500 cash, stock 75,000. Total of assets 1,81,500. and capital 1,81,500. Now the next one. Sold goods costing rupees 17,000 on credit to Manish 20,000. Sold goods costing rupees 17,000. Then stock reduced by 17,000. So we can deduct 17,000 from stock. So minus 17,000 in stock column. And goods worth rupees 17,000 sold for rupees 20,000. Here the business earned 3,000 profit. All profits will go to proprietor. So we can add this 3,000 to capital. Then 3,000 in the capital column. And sold goods on credit to Manish. Credit sales to Manish. The amount is not received. It is receivable from Manish. And he is a debtor and is an asset. And the amount receivable from him is 20,000. So we can write 20,000 in the debtors column also. Then minus 17,000 in the stock column, 20,000 in the debtors column and 3,000 in the capital column. Now the balance is cash 1,06,500, stock 58,000 and debtors 20,000. Total of assets 1,84,500. Capital balance 1,84,500. Here also total of assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. Now the sixth one. Received cash from Manish in full settlement 19,500. Received cash from Manish 19,500. Then cash balance increased by 19,500. So we can add 19,500 to the cash balance. Then 19,500 in the cash column. And here we have received 19,500 for full settlement. As per the previous transaction, amount receivable from him was 20,000. We have received 19,500 for full settlement. Then the balance 500 rupees is the discount allowed to him. Discount allowed is an expense and all expenses will go to proprietor's fund. Then we can deduct 500 from capital. Then minus 500 in the capital column. And received cash from Manish. Then the debtors balance reduced. And it is reduced by 20,000 because we have accepted 19,500 for the full settlement of 20,000. So the debtors reduced by 20,000. Then we can deduct 20,000 from the debtors. Then minus 20,000 in debtors column. Now the balance is cash 1,26,000, stock 58,000. Debtors nil balance. Total of assets 1,84,000. Capital 1,84,000. Here also total of assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. Now the last one. Goods destroyed by fire 500. Goods destroyed means stock reduced. Then we can deduct 500 from stock. Then minus 500 in the stock column. And goods destroyed by fire and it is a loss. All losses should be suffered by the proprietor. Then we can deduct this 500 from capital. Then minus 500 in the capital column. Then minus 500 in stock column and minus 500 in capital column also. Now the final balance is cash 1,26,000, stock 57,500 and total of assets 1,83,500. Capital 1,83,500. And our accounting equation is assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. Here total of assets 1,83,500, liabilities nil balance plus capital 1,83,500. Assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. Okay. Now if you found this video helpful, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.